ARCA is a woodworking workshop founded in 2009 by Steven Leprise. Located in Marne-la-Vallée, France, the 6,458 square foot facility is equipped with advanced tools, including computer numerical control machines, a three-dimensional printer, varnishing booths, and equipment for metal, composite, and plastic work. Its design studio, .stl, creates innovative materials and techniques, such as airwood, a veneered panel with reversible patterns controlled pneumatically, and WOOD, an elastic wood that molds around objects. Other materials include bois larmé, which integrates metals into wood, and C-degree wood, a thermoformable material allowing complex curves. ARCA's designs span industries, including the Cartier vitrine, which uses WOOD to create geometric shapes for an exclusive timepiece display. The Morphos concept car interior, featuring wood panels that adapt to user interaction, and Kellywood handbags for Hermès using bois larmé. Additional projects include Melt, a wooden wall with marble-like details measuring 59 inches by 59 inches by 1 inch, and Trameets, a console with flexible walnut bands and recycled plastic shelves. Lumino is a 6-inch by 7-inch lamp that adjusts light intensity through a rotational mechanism. Marsupio, a 90-inch desk made with WOOD, has compartments for various objects. ARCA's work also features Vapawood for steam-printed patterns and scoopwood, a method of coating wood with molten metals. These methods, paired with traditional and digital expertise, enable ARCA to develop furniture, interior elements, and functional art for industries such as automotive, architecture, and luxury design, consistently exploring new possibilities with material innovation. BIOHOME 3D is a pioneering 3D printed house made entirely from bio-based, recyclable materials. Developed by the University of Maine's Advanced Structures and Composites Center, this 600 square foot home features floors, walls, and a roof made from wood fibers and bioresins. It uses 100% wood insulation with customizable R values for effective energy performance. The 3D printing process significantly reduces construction waste through precise manufacturing, while the modular design allows for on-site assembly in less than a day. Electrical systems can be connected in just 2 hours, minimizing labor needs. Each 600 square foot unit sequesters approximately 46 tons of carbon dioxide over its life cycle, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional building methods. During its first year of testing, the house endured Maine's challenging climate, with temperatures ranging from 1 degree to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as strong winds and heavy snow. Sensors installed in the structure monitor its thermal, structural, and environmental performance, confirming its ability to meet high standards for strength and efficiency. BIOHOME 3D was created using the world's largest polymer 3D printer. Its production process utilizes renewable, locally sourced materials, reducing dependence on conventional supply chains. To scale its impact, the ASCC is ramping up production at the Green Engineering and Materials (GEM) Factory of the Future, which can produce one house every 48 hours. Future plans include developing entire neighborhoods of bio-based, 3D printed houses to help address the housing crisis, reduce carbon emissions, and support local industries. WOODCRETE, also called wood wool cement board or cement bonded wood fiber, is an eco-friendly material made from wood particles or fibers such as sawdust or shavings combined with cement as a binder. The formulation typically includes Portland cement, wood chips, sodium silicate, and other chemical additives. First developed in the 1930s, it remains widely used in construction due to its beneficial properties. Weighing about 31 pounds per cubic foot, WOODCRETE is approximately half the weight of brick, making it easier to handle during construction. It offers excellent thermal insulation, which helps regulate indoor temperatures efficiently. Its porous structure simplifies plastering, and the material is highly effective in soundproofing applications, making it a good choice for acoustic needs. WOODCRETE also resists weathering, fire, and pests, adding to its longevity. Additionally, it incorporates renewable wood resources, contributing to its eco-conscious profile. Common applications include wall panels, roof and floor slabs, soundproofing materials, and insulating concrete forms. It is also used in landscaping features like planters and retaining walls. Despite some permeability to strong winds, its thermal insulation properties, resistance to environmental factors, and ease of installation ensure its ongoing use in both commercial and residential building projects. By combining the benefits of wood and cement, WOODCRETE delivers strength, sound absorption, and energy efficiency. Its environmentally sustainable design makes it well suited for modern construction practices focused on reducing ecological impact. This material exemplifies a balance between resource efficiency and effective performance in a range of construction settings. NATURI specializes in constructing homes using vertical beam construction, a method where wooden beams are installed upright to form the house's walls. This technique offers a range of technical advantages and features that make it an appealing choice for modern construction. The vertical orientation of the beams ensures strength and stability, resisting warping or deformation over time. Homes constructed using this method are energy efficient due to their excellent insulation properties, which help maintain comfortable temperatures in various climates. Additionally, the use of natural wood supports sustainability, minimizing environmental impact while delivering a clean and natural finish. From a design perspective, vertical beam construction offers a clean and modern architectural style that complements the beauty of natural wood. This method allows for flexibility in design, supporting both modern and traditional home styles. Technical specifications often include 6x6-inch Douglas fir posts and 6x8-inch Douglas fir plate beams, which provide exceptional structural support. For long spans, engineered materials like parallel PSL beams are used to handle heavy loads, enabling open floor plans without the need for additional interior walls. This construction method combines strength with thoughtful design, ensuring homes remain stable and energy efficient for years to come. Natural materials, precision in construction, and insulation performance make vertical beam homes an ideal option for those seeking comfort and environmental responsibility. With its clean lines, strong structural integrity, and modern appeal, vertical beam construction delivers a solution for homeowners who want to invest in a long-lasting, efficient, and timeless living space. This is the world's tallest wooden wind turbine tower, developed by MODVION near Skara, Sweden. The tower stands 344 feet tall, with a total height of 492 feet when the blades are included. This 2.0 megawatt turbine began supplying electricity to the Swedish grid in 2023, generating power for approximately 400 homes. Made from 144 layers of 0.12-inch laminated veneer lumber, or LVL, the tower highlights the strength of engineered wood. Its modular design simplifies transportation and on-site assembly, addressing the logistical challenges typically associated with steel towers. MODVION uses LVL sourced from renewable forests, significantly reducing the carbon footprint compared to traditional materials. Wooden towers store carbon dioxide for their entire lifespan, making them a carbon-negative solution. By replacing steel, MODVION contributes to lower emissions while meeting the increasing demand for efficient wind energy systems. Founded in 2016, MODVION focuses on enabling the construction of taller wind turbines, which capture stronger, more consistent winds at higher altitudes. Taller turbines improve overall energy efficiency and output, advancing renewable energy technology. The company collaborates with manufacturers and energy providers to accelerate the adoption of wooden turbine towers as a sustainable alternative. With growing interest in renewable energy, MODVION aims to scale up production, establishing a facility capable of producing 100 wooden wind turbines per year by 2027. To us, this innovation demonstrates the potential for sustainable materials to transform renewable energy infrastructure. By rethinking wind tower design, MODVION offers a forward-looking approach that aligns with global goals to reduce carbon emissions and increase the use of renewable energy. FRERES Wood's MASSPLY is a veneer-based engineered wood product designed as an alternative to cross-laminated timber and glulam beams. It is constructed from multiple layers of thin, density-graded Douglas fir veneers laminated into structural composite lumber lamellas. These lamellas are bonded to form large-format panels, beams, and columns for structural applications. MASSPLY panels are ANSI APA PRG 320 certified and come in sizes up to 11 feet 10 inches wide, 48 feet long, and thicknesses ranging from 2 to 12 inches, making them ideal for floors, roofs, walls, and shear walls. MASSPLY lambs, designed for beams and columns, are available in dimensions up to 24 inches wide by 47.5 inches deep and lengths up to 48 feet, offering consistent performance for mass timber projects. One of MASSPLY's key advantages is its efficient use of wood, reducing material needs by 20% compared to traditional cross-laminated timber while delivering the same structural capacity. Its dense layering provides excellent thermal insulation and predictable fire performance. The balanced two-way span capabilities ensure strength across both axes, allowing for diverse design possibilities. Thickness options are available in 1-inch increments, ranging from 2 to 12 inches, giving engineers and architects flexibility to meet project requirements. MASSPLY is produced using smaller diameter logs, maximizing wood recovery and minimizing waste. The manufacturing process requires less energy due to the thin veneer layers, and the product naturally stores carbon throughout its life, contributing to reduced greenhouse gas emissions. Perfect for floors, roofs, walls, beams, columns, staircases, and elevator shafts, MASSPLY offers both structural strength and environmental benefits, making it a quite good choice for contemporary construction projects. Based in the United States, Lancaster Log Cabins offers a unique approach to homes on wheels. Moving beyond cramped campers, their specialists construct durable log cabins built to last up to 50 years, providing year-round comfort even in winter. These pre-assembled cabins are made from solid log timbers, providing a rustic aesthetic suitable for campgrounds, Airbnbs, hunting retreats, and private getaways. Several models are available to meet diverse needs. The Sierra Log Cabin measures 12 by 34 feet, featuring a 10-foot porch and a loft with a total area of 400 square feet. The Lakeview Log Cabin also measures 12 by 34 feet and includes an 8-foot porch, providing 400 square feet without a loft. The Adirondack Log Cabin, measuring 15 by 27 feet, features an 8-foot porch and has an optional loft, totaling 400 square feet. The Rancher Log Cabin is 13 by 31 feet and offers 400 square feet with the option of a loft. Lancaster Log Cabins prioritizes quality, honesty, and strong relationships, drawing inspiration from Amish and Christian values. Their structures are designed to endure for decades with minimal maintenance, and customers regularly express satisfaction with the product and service. The Sierra version is available for retail buyers at $74,900, offering memories and experiences that are truly invaluable. According to its creators, building with KLIK-KLIK is quicker, more cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. Developed by CLT Factory, incorporates cross-laminated timber panels linked by unique screwless joints. These joints facilitate efficient and straightforward assembly, making it possible for small teams or even individual builders to erect wall structures effectively. Using sustainable timber, this system prioritizes environmental responsibility while offering accuracy and adaptability. It is well suited for a variety of building projects, from home extensions to entire residential structures. One of the key features of this system is its environmental advantage. Cross-laminated timber is a renewable material with excellent thermal and sound insulation properties, enhancing energy efficiency and overall comfort. The innovative assembly technique allows for quick construction without the need for heavy machinery. For instance, a two-person team can construct a wall structure measuring 1,076 square feet in just 24 hours using simple tools such as ladders and wooden mallets. This method significantly reduces the requirement for large labor forces and machinery, resulting in substantial cost savings. The KLIK-KLIK wall system also offers flexible architectural design options. Through a 3D visualization app, users can easily create and customize their plans to meet specific project requirements, enabling tailored solutions for both small-scale and large-scale applications. In collaboration with Stark, CLT Factory presented this wall system at the Building Green event in Copenhagen, highlighting its potential to promote sustainable construction practices. The KLIK-KLIK wall system is intended for both professional builders and individual users, offering an efficient and high-performance method to complete construction projects. The suspended wooden ceilings from 9wood feature natural oak or cherry veneers, combining aesthetics with practical design. These panels are engineered for straightforward access, requiring no tools for removal. Technicians can hinge down the panels easily, simplifying maintenance tasks and eliminating the repeated need to climb ladders. This efficient design ensures routine work is completed with minimal disruption to the office environment. A standout feature of these ceilings is their high acoustic performance. They come with a noise reduction coefficient of 0.95, meaning they absorb 95% of sound within the frequency range of 125 to 3000 Hz. This effective sound absorption significantly reduces background noise, enhancing the clarity of conversations and creating a more comfortable and productive workspace. The impressive acoustic capabilities make these ceilings ideal for offices where sound management is essential. Office ceilings often conceal important infrastructure, such as wires, pipes, and various systems, making accessibility a frequent necessity. Therefore, a ceiling design must be adaptable and easy to work with during regular maintenance. 9wood suspended wooden ceilings address these needs while adding a refined touch through the use of oak or cherry wood. This natural material creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that elevates the office's appearance. Constructing homes has become more accessible than ever. You could stroll by an empty plot on a Friday evening, and by Monday morning, a nearly finished house might stand in its place. Let's explore the work of LOGI prefabs. Their products include prefabricated wooden panels and various small architectural structures, prioritizing quality, sustainability, and energy efficiency. With significant experience in the Scandinavian market, they adhere to high standards of precision and eco-friendly construction. Their panel frame houses are made from factory-manufactured wooden panels, meeting A+ and A++ energy efficiency classifications. These panels are assembled efficiently on site within 1 to 2 days. The wooden frame panels are filled with stone wool, ensuring thermal insulation and reduced environmental impact. The streamlined manufacturing and assembly processes help maintain accuracy and minimize waste. For more flexible solutions, LOGI Prefab provides modular houses composed of pre-assembled and nearly fully finished modules. These modules can be configured to accommodate both simple and more complex architectural plans. Customers have the option to choose from existing designs or work with the company's experts to create a personalized house project. Additionally, LOGI Prefab produces wooden panels suitable for walls, ceilings, or roofs. These panels can be tailored to the client's specific requirements or designed collaboratively with their architects and engineers. The company also offers customizable small architectural elements such as saunas, storage sheds, benches, pet houses, and raised garden beds, all designed to enhance residential environments. Blending modern construction practices with Scandinavian design, LOGI Prefab emphasizes sustainable and energy-efficient methods. Projects are completed efficiently, taking only 12 to 16 weeks from the initial concept to the finished structure, underscoring their dedication to responsible and well-planned construction. ONOBLOK is a modular brick system from Belgium, constructed from oriented strand board, a material recognized for its strength and environmental benefits. The primary module is 15 and 11/16 inches in length, 3 and 7/8 inches in width, and 9 and 13/16 inches in height, with a weight of 6.6 pounds. The finisher module measures 3 and 7/8 inches by 3 and 7/8 inches by 9 and 13/16 inches, weighing 2.1 pounds. The bricks connect securely without the use of plaster or cement, offering a straightforward and clean method of assembly. Inspired by the interlocking concept similar to Lego pieces, these bricks enable the construction of interior walls, partitions, and furniture without the need for expert labor. The fastening system is engineered to incorporate insulation and different types of finishes, catering to various functional and aesthetic needs. This adaptability makes the system ideal for applications such as building shower walls, bars, or partitioning spaces within an interior setting. Additionally, ONOBLOK bricks support the integration of doors and windows, providing flexibility in designing layouts. Their reusability highlights an eco-friendly approach, as they can be assembled, taken apart, and reused, which is especially advantageous for projects focused on sustainability. This makes them a viable option for new construction or renovation work that aims to minimize environmental impact. By prioritizing reusable materials and reducing waste, ONOBLOK redefines the possibilities of interior space construction, serving both residential and commercial needs while emphasizing efficient and environmentally responsible building practices. GUTEX FIBREBLOW is a system designed to efficiently apply loose wood fiber insulation, particularly suited for prefabricated construction and large-scale renovation projects. The system includes specialized components to ensure the rapid, uniform, and settlement-resistant filling of cavities in various structural elements, such as roofs, walls, and ceilings. At its core, the system features the GUTEX plate, a blow-in plate engineered specifically for wood fiber insulation, ensuring a secure and consistent application. Complementing this, GUTEX Thermofiber is a specially developed wood fiber insulation material, optimized for use with the FIBREBLOW system to provide high performance and simplified installation. The GUTEX FIBREBLOW feeder lift and feeder drop are stationary devices designed to efficiently handle large bales of insulation, loosening the material and delivering it smoothly to the blow-in plate for uniform dispersion. The system's adaptability accommodates varying production volumes and is compatible with existing manufacturing lines, including advanced setups with software-controlled bridge or robotic systems. This integration provides a flexible solution for both small and large-scale projects. By utilizing the GUTEX system, installers can significantly reduce material consumption, achieving cost savings and conserving resources. The method ensures a uniform and settlement-resistant insulation layer, enhancing the energy efficiency and thermal comfort of buildings. The future of construction, as envisioned by the company GABLOK, includes their innovative GABLOK blocks. These blocks, inspired by interlocking building block toys, are designed for efficient and sustainable building. introduced in Belgium in 2019, makes use of insulated wooden blocks specifically designed for easy assembly. Key components of the system include these insulated blocks, which form the interior and exterior walls and are stacked without adhesives or specialized tools. Structural support is provided by insulated beams and lintels, which reinforce openings such as windows and doors. A floor system, designed to integrate seamlessly with the block structure, adds to the overall cohesion of the building. The construction process begins with preparing a concrete slab foundation. Builders then stack the insulated blocks according to a detailed assembly plan. Once the walls are in place, the roof is installed, and final finishes are applied both inside and outside. This method drastically reduces building time. For instance, a single-family house has been completed in only 7 days using the GABLOK system. Thanks to the interlocking design, the system is accessible to individuals without formal construction training. Prefabricated elements also eliminate the need for drying periods, significantly shortening the construction timeline. The blocks incorporate expanded polystyrene insulation, which provides high thermal efficiency, contributing to overall energy savings. Environmentally friendly practices are a key aspect of the system, as it uses recyclable materials and minimizes waste throughout the building process. GABLOK has successfully completed over 200 projects, mostly in Belgium, with additional builds in Germany and France. Plans are underway to enter the United States market, with a goal of constructing numerous homes in the first year. By offering a streamlined, energy-efficient and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional construction, GABLOK is expanding the possibilities for self-built housing solutions. These blocks will cost you about $1,250, including both materials and labor. Immerso glamping, designed by Italian architects Fabio Vignolo and Francesca Tornaturi, is a 65-square-foot minimalist cabin made from prefabricated birch plywood panels and plexiglass. Its standout design includes transparent roof and wall sections, offering clear views of the alpine landscape and starry night skies. Measuring approximately 6.5 by 10 feet, the cabin can be assembled in just 2 hours by a team of 4 people, without the need for electric tools or specialized skills. Despite its small size, it can comfortably accommodate up to 4 people and serves as both a sleeping space and a lounge area. Inside, the cabin features a double bed and simple furnishings, allowing guests to focus on their connection to the surrounding natural environment. Curtains provide privacy when needed. However, the cabin does not include heating or insulation, so visitors are encouraged to bring appropriate clothing and bedding to stay comfortable, especially during colder seasons. Located in the alpine village of Uso in Italy's Piedmont region, Immerso glamping offers a peaceful retreat where guests can disconnect from the busyness of daily life and fully embrace nature. Its prefabricated design allows for quick installation and minimizes environmental impact, making it an eco-conscious lodging option. Currently available for rent on Airbnb, the cabin offers a one-of-a-kind experience in the Italian Alps, where visitors can enjoy breathtaking views and a serene atmosphere. With its unique structure and tranquil location, Immerso glamping provides an opportunity to slow down, relax, and immerse oneself in the beauty of the surrounding landscape. It is an ideal getaway for those seeking simplicity, natural wonder, and an escape from modern distractions. SYSTIMBER garden offices offer custom-made solutions to create additional space for work, relaxation, or creative activities. Constructed with solid wood beams that are 3.15 inches thick, they provide excellent thermal and sound insulation, ensuring a quiet and comfortable environment. Using an innovative beam-by-beam wooden connection system, these structures are assembled in 2 to 5 days on a floating floor plate with screw foundations. This method minimizes disruption to the garden, eliminates the need for concrete slabs, and reduces carbon dioxide emissions. The design allows construction even in hard-to-reach areas, such as slopes, urban gardens, or spaces above water, without requiring cranes or heavy equipment. The Mini One Garden Office, SYSTIMBER's most popular model, provides an ideal workspace ranging between 160 and 215 square feet. It fits seamlessly into any garden setting, whether urban or rural. The option to include a mezzanine allows for overnight stays, making it suitable as a guest area or multi-use space. SYSTIMBER's advanced timber frame technology absorbs the natural movement of solid wood, ensuring stability. Concealed joints and flexible seals deliver superior water, air, and sound resistance. Each structure is completely custom-made to meet individual needs, allowing for personal finishes and expansion. Its assembly is completed in as little as 1 to 2 days, and the structure is ready for immediate use. You can choose professional installation or complete the construction yourself. Cross-laminated timber is an engineered wood product composed of layers of solid sawn lumber glued in alternating directions. This design enhances strength and stability, making it suitable for walls, floors, and roofs in both residential and commercial construction. CLT panels are manufactured off-site, reducing waste and allowing for faster assembly. They offer key features such as fire resistance, sound insulation, and thermal efficiency. CLT also enables the construction of tall wooden buildings, often referred to as ply scrapers, and can be combined with materials like steel or concrete to meet structural requirements. CLT is used in homes, high-rise structures, schools, hospitals, offices, and retail spaces. It has a low environmental impact since responsibly sourced timber is renewable and acts as a carbon sink, storing carbon dioxide. The prefabrication process also reduces material waste, promoting sustainability in construction. By 2027, the global CLT market is projected to reach $2.3 billion, with an annual growth rate of about 12.5%. This growth reflects a shift toward environmentally conscious building practices and materials that provide performance comparable to traditional options like concrete and steel. The increasing adoption of CLT in construction highlights its role in addressing the demand for efficient, sustainable, and effective building methods. CLT continues to gain traction as an alternative material capable of supporting modern construction needs while reducing the industrial carbon emissions. This building once was the tallest wooden construction in the world, but there's more. Brock Commons Tallwood House, located at the University of British Columbia, UBC, in Vancouver, Canada, is a forward-thinking and environmentally conscious student residence. The structure uses a hybrid mass timber design, featuring cross-laminated timber and glued laminated timber as primary materials, reinforced with a concrete core for added stability. Prefabricated components were key to its rapid construction, with the main structure completed in just 70 days after the foundation was ready. The building rests on a concrete pad foundation, with key structural areas like stairwells and elevator shafts strengthened using metal reinforcements. 2 concrete cores further stabilize the structure, supporting the timber frame. Sustainably sourced timber reduces greenhouse gas emissions, reflecting UBC's commitment to environmentally responsible construction practices. Brock Commons houses more than 400 students and includes a combination of single and shared accommodations. Its construction timeline was significantly faster than comparable projects of its size, thanks to the use of prefabrication techniques and efficient design. This project represents a significant step in the development of mass timber high-rises. It demonstrates how timber can be a practical alternative to conventional materials like concrete and steel in large-scale urban construction. Brock Commons serves as an example for architects and builders worldwide, promoting the use of renewable materials and efficient building methods in response to growing environmental challenges. SANFOOT natural wood veneer wall covering is a premium material made from AA, architectural grade natural wood veneers, offering authentic wood grain and texture. Its 5-ply flexible construction allows for installation on curved surfaces, columns, and 90-degree corners without cracking. Standard sheet dimensions are 36 inches by 108 inches or 120 inches, with custom sizes available. Each sheet is pre-finished with 2 coats of polyurethane at a 30% sheen, providing long-lasting protection and eliminating the need for on-site finishing. It is Class A fire rated, meeting strict building codes, and comes in over 100 wood species and cuts, including options certified by the Forest Stewardship Council. The installation process is straightforward and mirrors techniques used for vinyl wall coverings. Surfaces must be clean, dry, and primed with a product like Zinsser Bullseye 123, allowing 2 days to cure. Sheets should acclimate for 24 to 48 hours before adhesive application. Adhesive such as Roman Decorating's Pro 732 Extra Strength Clay Applied Adhesive should be spread evenly. Sheets are booked for 10 to 15 minutes, aligned from top to bottom, and smoothed to ensure proper adhesion. Larger areas benefit from end matching for seamless floor-to-ceiling applications. This material's maintenance involves regular dusting and cleaning with mild detergent and water. It requires avoiding using harsh cleaners, and not while waxing, but a light oil-based polish can enhance the finish. Feelingwood specializes in high-quality wood paneling solutions that bring warmth and style to interior spaces. Their peel and stick panels are made from sustainably sourced wood and can be installed quickly without special tools. Each panel includes premium adhesive rated for 10 years and features dual ultraviolet coatings for added protection on both the front and back surfaces, ensuring longevity and minimal upkeep. The product line includes the Pure Collection, which highlights the natural characteristics of carefully selected wood species, adding a refined, natural touch to any space. The Design Collection offers bold colors and modern patterns for those seeking a creative, contemporary look. To complete the installation, Feelingwood provides trims in wood and aluminum, perfect for finishing edges and corners. A comprehensive toolkit is also available for simple and efficient panel placement. Technically, the panels are 0.2 inches thick, offering stability while maintaining an easy-to-handle format. The advanced manufacturing process reduces wood waste by up to 80% compared to traditional methods. Any remaining material is repurposed into biomass briquettes, contributing to a zero-waste approach. Additionally, the packaging is made entirely from recyclable materials, reinforcing the company's commitment to environmental responsibility. Its maintenance is straightforward, requiring only a soft, damp cloth to keep the panels clean and looking their best. The Brick B foldable structural system uses a modular approach with foldable wooden components to create efficient and adaptable structures. The prefabricated units rely on hinged or flexible connections that allow them to collapse into compact forms for easy transport and storage. When disassembled, the blocks take up 4 times less space and are light enough to carry by hand. This design eliminates the need for glue, nails, screws, or heavy machinery, simplifying the assembly and disassembly process. The system focuses on structural efficiency by incorporating geometric stability, such as origami-inspired folding patterns and tessellated shapes. Despite their compact design, the components offer strength and stability. A team of 4 people can assemble an entire house in just 10 days, demonstrating the system's focus on fast construction while maintaining quality. Brick B is designed to address various modern challenges, including rapid urbanization and the need for flexible spaces. Applications range from emergency shelters and transportable housing to temporary installations like exhibition spaces and pop-up structures. The system can also be used for apartment or office renovations and is practical for construction in unconventional locations, such as rooftops of high-rise buildings. The wooden components align with sustainable practices, minimizing material waste and promoting reuse across different projects. The disassembled blocks are compact, easy to relocate, and can be stored efficiently. This approach significantly reduces construction time and labor, while enabling structures to be rebuilt elsewhere as needed. To us, the BRICB system offers an innovative solution for modern architecture, combining rapid assembly, reduced environmental impact, and the ability to meet changing spatial requirements. By focusing on efficiency and adaptability, it addresses the evolving needs of today's fast-paced and mobile environments. UMD transparent wood, developed by researchers at the University of Maryland, is a material that combines the natural properties of wood with improved optical and mechanical performance. The material is created through delignification, a process in which lignin, the component responsible for wood's color and rigidity, is removed. The remaining porous cellulose structure is then filled with a transparent polymer, such as epoxy or polyvinyl alcohol, which enhances its strength, clarity, and thermal efficiency. UMD transparent wood transmits up to 90% of light while reducing glare, providing consistent and uniform lighting. It offers superior thermal insulation, being 5 times more efficient than traditional glass, which helps reduce energy costs for heating and cooling. Defense Adhesive 200 is a self-adhesive, waterproof membrane designed to protect timber construction elements during transport and assembly. It has a mass of 0.72 ounces per square foot and a thickness of 12 mil, providing flexibility and strong performance. The membrane withstands temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +176 degrees Fahrenheit, maintains complete water tightness, and resists air penetration at less than 0.001 cubic feet per minute per square foot at 50 pascals. With a water vapor transmission of 1.4 perms, the membrane allows any moisture to evaporate effectively. It has a tensile strength of 14 pounds and 9 pounds per inch, and a resistance to nail tearing of 14 pounds and 15 pounds. UV stability is guaranteed for up to 12 weeks, and the membrane holds a fire resistance classification of EI90 for cross-laminated timber joints. The waterproof, non-slip surface ensures strong resistance to abrasion and foot traffic during installation. Its polymer composition prevents water and air from passing through while maintaining vapor permeability, allowing any trapped moisture to dry naturally. The self-adhesive backing makes application quick and simple, with the option to reposition the membrane during the first few minutes if needed. Defense Adhesive 200 is particularly suitable for prefabricated panels, providing effective protection during transport and construction. Once applied, the membrane remains transparent, keeping powder tracer markings and mounting holes visible. Its high flexibility ensures a secure seal on complex surfaces. A reciprocal roof is a self-supporting structure made of beams or rafters, arranged in a circular, spiral, or polygonal pattern, where each beam rests on and supports the next. This interconnected design removes the need for a central column or additional supports, relying on the principle of reciprocity. Each beam supports the others, distributing weight evenly across the structure. The design is both strong and resource efficient, requiring fewer materials than traditional roofs. It can be constructed using timber, steel, or bamboo, making it adaptable to different architectural needs. The beams are laid in sequence, with the first supporting the last, forming a continuous loop that creates a stable and geometric star-like or spiral shape. The roof's design allows it to span large spaces without intermediate supports, making it an excellent solution for open interiors. Weight is distributed along the perimeter of the room, removing the need for central pillars. Its simple yet effective structure makes it an ideal choice for eco-houses, gazebos, yurts, pavilions, and artistic architectural projects. The radial beam arrangement not only serves a functional purpose, but also creates an appealing geometric pattern. The construction process involves careful sequencing of the beams, which interlock and support each other. This method has roots in ancient architectural practices, but has found renewed popularity in modern sustainable design due to its efficiency and visual impact. The roof's strength and stability can be tested by creating a simple scale model using matches or similar materials. Though installing roofing material requires precision and effort, the final result is a unique and resource-efficient structure. The Pitzel post support provides height adjustability from 5.6 to 8.1 inches and is designed for securing wooden columns and connecting them to concrete. It features an upper plate measuring 3.9 by 0.24 inches and a lower plate measuring 6.3 by 3.9 by 0.24 inches, connected via an M24 threaded system with 2.6 inches of adjustment. It has mounting holes of 0.51 inches in diameter on the lower plate and 0.47 inches on the upper plate. The post support is compatible with wooden supports with a minimum dimension of 4.7 by 4.7 inches C24 grade and complies with ETA 10-0413 standards. The system achieves a compressive capacity of 15,417 pounds, tension capacity of 1,664 pounds, and horizontal load capacities of 494 pounds and 270 pounds along the respective axes of the base plate. Installation requires 4 fully threaded wood screws, 0.39 by 4.7 inches, for connection to the wood, and 4 dowels or concrete screws, 0.47 inches in diameter, for the base. Its lock nuts ensure stability during operation. The rifled dowel has a diameter of 1.18 inches and a length of 15.7 inches. The bolt measures 0.98 by 3.9 inches with threading of 0.79 inches. The installation height ranges between 21.3 and 23.6 inches. Adherence to DIN N19, 95 standards and ETA guidelines ensures safe and effective use. GUTEX. ULTRATHERM is a high-performance wood fiber insulation board for external wall and roof applications, offering excellent thermal performance, moisture regulation, and environmental benefits. Its boards are made from untreated spruce and fir wood fibers, bonded with 4% polyurethane resin and 0.75% paraffin for water resistance. Thicknesses range from approximately 2 inches to 6.3 inches, with standard dimensions of 70 inches by 23.6 inches. The tongue and groove edges ensure secure, seamless installation. Thermal conductivity is 0.024 British thermal units per hour per foot per degree Fahrenheit. Bulk density is 11.2 pounds per cubic foot. Compressive strength is over 21.8 pounds per square inch, and specific heat capacity is 502.3 British thermal units per pound per degree Fahrenheit. A vapor diffusion factor of 3 provides excellent breathability, while the boards meet Euroclass E fire resistance standards. GUTEX is resistant to temperatures up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. It delivers effective thermal insulation, maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures in summer and winter. The breathable material reduces moisture buildup, helping to prevent condensation and mold while improving air quality. Its natural wood fiber composition is sourced from sustainable forestry and is recyclable, meeting ecological certifications such as Nature Plus. ULTRATHERM's applications include use as a rainproof sarking board, in roof insulation, and as external sheathing in wall systems, particularly for timber-framed or vented facades. It supports rafter spacing up to 49 inches for thinner boards and 59 inches for thicker ones. Designed for roof pitches of 15 degrees or more without additional ceiling, it can also be used on lower slopes with proper membranes. What sets their products apart from others? In PTV tests, their boards scored an impressive 71 points, making them highly slip-resistant, even when the boards are dirty. DECRITE offers anti-slip timber decking solutions using a polyurethane resin combined with bauxite aggregate that is embedded into the grooves of timber decking boards. The bauxite aggregate has a granular size between 0.9 and 1.1 millimeters and a Mohs hardness rating of 9, providing a highly effective grip. The boards have undergone rigorous testing, achieving a pendulum test value of 71. Which far exceeds the minimum standard of 36 for slip resistance. The timber used is sustainably sourced, with both softwood and hardwood options. Standard dimensions include a thickness of 1 1/4 inches by 5 inches and lengths of 12 feet or 16 feet. Custom profiles and lengths are available for specialized needs. The timber is treated to use Class 3 for above-ground applications, with an option to upgrade to use Class 4 for ground contact. This treatment process enhances resistance to decay and insect damage. The treated wood initially has a slight green color that naturally weathers to a silver hue over time. DECRITE's products have earned DECMARK and DECMARK Plus certifications from the Timber Decking and Cladding Association. The timber also carries PEFC and FSC certifications, affirming its sustainable sourcing. DECRITE offers customizable modular decking solutions for park homes, caravans, and lodges, with optional features like balustrades, steps, gates, and skirting. Installation requires the use of special blades to cut through the durable aggregate-infused surface. It is recommended to treat exposed cuts to maintain structural integrity. The boards can be stained, painted, or oiled without affecting their anti-slip properties. To preserve performance, any liquid spills not related to natural weather should be cleaned immediately from the surface. DECRITE prioritizes safe and high-quality decking suitable for a range of applications. Marley timber shingles add more than just decoration to a roof or facade. They tell a story over time. Crafted from cedar wood, these shingles naturally change color, giving the building a distinct and charming look. They are produced from high-quality Western red cedar wood, suitable for roofing and cladding purposes. These shingles meet CertiGrade Blue Label standards, consisting entirely of 100% heartwood, 100% edge grain, and are free from knots, ensuring a robust and uniform performance. Each shingle is 16 inches in length and comes in random widths, ranging from 3 inches to 14 inches, with a thickness of 3/8 of an inch at the base, tapering toward the tip. The shingles are sawn on both sides, providing a smooth rectangular shape. Each bundle contains approximately 120 shingles, and coverage varies with roof pitch, from 18.5 square feet per bundle for a pitch between 14 and 21 degrees, up to 34.5 square feet for a pitch of 75 to 90 degrees. The installed weight depends on the gauge, ranging from 8.1 pounds per square foot to 4.0 pounds per square foot. Installation specifications require a minimum roof pitch of 14 degrees, with stainless steel annular ring nails or shingle fix staples for fastening, and battens measuring 1 1/2 inches by 1 inch for rafters spaced no more than 18 inches apart. A side lap of at least 1 1/2 inches is necessary for proper fitting. Environmentally, these shingles are PEFC certified, guaranteeing that the timber comes from sustainably managed forests. They have a low carbon footprint, contributing to environmentally conscious construction practices. Initially a warm honey hue, the shingles gracefully weather to a silvery gray shade over time. With an untreated lifespan of over 50 years, Marley Western red cedar shingles provide a practical and enduring material for various architectural styles, ideal for residential, commercial, and garden projects. Marley timber shingles cost $258 per batch, which is enough for about 2.3 square meters. Transform your room in just a weekend with these wall panels that bring the warm look of wood to your walls. Unlike many other options, these panels are easy to install. No fasteners or frames needed. Simply apply adhesive and use a roller to set them in place. Crafted from recycled wood, they offer an eco-friendly way to add character and style without the hassle of tools like screwdrivers or drills. Weekend Walls features peel and stick reclaimed wood paneling, made to efficiently transform interior spaces. Constructed from 100% natural reclaimed redwood, the panels have a unique weathered appearance developed over years of exposure to sunlight, rain, and snow. Each plank is 5 inches wide, with lengths ranging from 1 foot to 4 feet and a thickness of 3/16 of an inch. These panels are simple to cut and shape using common tools such as a jigsaw, miter saw, or chop saw. The peel and stick adhesive backing allows for easy installation, making it possible to refresh a room over a weekend. From an environmental perspective, Weekend Walls emphasizes sustainability and healthy indoor air quality. The reclaimed wood is certified by the Forest Stewardship Council, which ensures responsible sourcing and environmentally friendly practices. Additionally, the finishes applied to the panels are free from volatile organic compounds, meaning they do not release harmful chemicals into the air. The product is also recognized by the Rainforest Alliance for meeting strict environmental and social standards. Homeowners can choose from various finishes to suit their design preferences. These options provide flexibility to match diverse interior styles, with the natural color and texture variations from the reclaimed wood adding warmth and character. The rich rustic quality of each piece creates an authentic look that enhances the atmosphere of any room. A 12-foot box of panels costs $325. In this video, the featured experts take on an essential project: repairing stairs. The statistics are concerning, as around 1 million people in the United States are injured on stairs annually. Therefore, choosing strong, high-quality and durable materials for staircases is not just about aesthetics, but a crucial step toward ensuring personal safety. Moreover, the final look of the repaired stairs is impressive. Stair treads provide a wide range of hardwood stair components, suitable for both new construction and renovation projects. Their inventory includes stair treads, risers, handrails, balusters, and newel posts, offering all necessary parts for comprehensive staircase renovations. Standard stair treads have a thickness of 1 inch, paired with risers that are 3/4 of an inch thick. These products come in over 35 wood species and multiple stain colors, catering to diverse interior styles. For those looking to update existing stairs, the company offers retrofit stair treads. These thinner treads are designed to fit over current stairs, making them ideal for replacing carpeted stairs with hardwood without major alterations. Customers can choose between pre-finished treads with a UV-cured topcoat or unfinished options, which allow for on-site staining and finishing. Available thickness options include 1 inch, 2.5 inches, 3 inches, and 4 inches. For example, the 2.5-inch thick stair treads have a depth of 11 1/4 inches and are offered in widths of up to 72 inches. The variety of wood species includes oak, maple, and hickory, giving customers a range of materials to match their design needs. Customization is also available, with options for unique dimensions and returned edges that add a refined finish to open-sided staircases. For the perfect finishing touch to complete your space, 1-inch wall is the ideal choice. 1-inch wall presents multifunctional wall panels made from solid wood, featuring a T-profile batten system that enables easy attachment of accessories such as shelves and hangers. Each panel includes recycled felt backing, designed to improve sound absorption, which enhances room acoustics by reducing noise and echo. Available in various finishes and sizes, these panels are tailored for both residential and commercial environments. The flexible design of 1-inch wall panels allows for custom arrangements, transforming walls into efficient and elegant solutions for organization and interior decor. Whether adding functionality to living spaces or maximizing productivity in workspaces, the panels merge visual appeal with practical use. The integration of recycled materials also underscores the brand's commitment to sustainability, addressing modern acoustic needs while being eco-friendly. Products in this collection are named after legendary musicians, reflecting the founder's passion for both music and innovative design. This approach brings a cultural and artistic dimension to the brand, making each panel not just a design element, but also a celebration of musical legacy and creativity. This unique blend of art and functionality ensures the panels offer more than just aesthetic enhancement. They also pay tribute to music through their design. To assist users, 1-inch Wall provides a step-by-step video guide for installation, making the setup process straightforward and efficient. By combining quality design, acoustic enhancement, and the option for personalization, these wall panels provide an elegant and harmonious solution for transforming both residential and office spaces. TOJA Grid offers a modular pergola system that simplifies building customized outdoor structures. This system uses steel brackets designed to fit standard 4x4 or 6x6 lumber, allowing for the construction of pergolas, hammocks, and other features without requiring specialized tools. The brackets have weather-resistant coatings for long-lasting performance in various conditions. Specifically, the 4x4 brackets accommodate wood measuring 3½ inches by 3½ inches, while the 6x6 brackets fit wood measuring 5½ inches by 5½ inches. The flexible design allows for easy changes or additions to match different outdoor layouts. Each pergola kit is designed for simple assembly, with each section estimated to take around 60 minutes to complete. Basic tools like ladders and drills are required, and assembly is most efficient with a team of 3 people for 4x4 configurations and 5 people for 6x6 setups. For the best results, TOJA Grid recommends using dry and straight lumber. The shade sails are made from HDPE woven fabric, offering over 85% protection from UVA and UVB rays. They are available in multiple sizes and colors, enhancing both functionality and appearance. Accessories such as privacy walls and planters can be added to improve the overall design and usability of the space. The brackets are crafted to be reusable, allowing lumber replacement without needing to change the entire system. Manufactured in Canada, the products are built with a focus on quality and modern aesthetics, providing a stylish way for homeowners to create adaptable outdoor spaces that meet their changing needs. The cost of TOJA Grid kits depends on the configuration. A basic mound is priced at $48, while more intricate designs can be purchased for $264. Watch how this expert combines a wooden post with a steel support. Pitzel Metallbau manufactures specialized post supports, known as post bases, that are essential for stable and secure connections between wooden posts and their foundations in various timber structures, such as decks, pergolas, gazebos, and timber-framed buildings. The heavy-duty post base model is engineered to handle a pressure-bearing capacity of 84,000 pounds, providing significant load support suitable for demanding applications. Additionally, Pitzel offers stainless steel post bases constructed to resist corrosion, making them a reliable choice for use in projects exposed to harsh weather conditions. Their product line also includes hot-dip galvanized post anchors, designed to withstand rust in a wide range of environmental settings. To offer flexibility, Pitzel's right-left threaded post bases enable precise height adjustments even under load. This feature is particularly beneficial for projects that require exact post height modifications. Each support is designed to comply with rigorous European technical approval standards, which ensure adherence to strict safety and performance criteria. Detailed installation instructions are provided, including guidance on compatible washer head screws, dowels, and specialized tools, like drill jigs, to ensure accuracy in assembly. Fasten Master Deck Frame Coating is a water-based sealant designed to extend the lifespan of deck substructures. It creates a moisture barrier that helps protect against wood rot and decay on key structural elements such as deck joists, beams, ledgers, posts, and stair stringers. The coating forms a reliable seal around deck framing components, preventing moisture penetration. It can be applied with a standard bristle paintbrush or a heavy-duty 3/8 inch nap roller, ensuring full coverage even in areas where traditional joist tapes may not be effective. One of the significant benefits of this coating is its rapid drying time. It dries to a workable state within approximately 20 minutes, allowing decking materials to be installed promptly. Under standard conditions of 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 50% humidity, the moisture barrier fully cures in 24 hours. This quick curing process provides efficient and lasting protection from environmental elements. Each gallon of the coating covers up to 450 linear feet of 2x framing material, making it an economical choice for large projects. Prior to application, surfaces must be clean and dry, and the temperature should be above 40 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal results. The coating should be applied in a consistent and even layer, ensuring that all structural components are adequately protected. Fasten Master Deck Frame Coating plays a vital role in extending the life of deck substructures. By providing a dependable moisture barrier, it enhances the integrity of deck framing and protects against deterioration, contributing to the long-term stability and safety of outdoor structures. Pyroclast by Sherwin-Williams is a flame-retardant product engineered for use on wood and wood-based materials, including particle board. Pyroplast series consists of water-based fire protection coatings formulated for interior wood applications. These coatings create a carbon char layer when exposed to heat, which insulates the wood, reduces ignitability, and slows the spread of flames. The Pyroplast line features two main products, Pyroplast Wood T and Pyroplast Wood P. Pyroplast Wood T is a transparent fire protection system that preserves the natural look of wood. It includes Pyroplast Wood T Primer, the intumescent coating, and Pyroplast Wood Top T as the top coat, making it suitable for situations where maintaining visual aesthetics is important. Pyroplast Wood P is a pigmented single-component intumescent coating effective on various interior wood surfaces, such as softwoods, hardwoods, plywood, chipboard, and veneered wood. It can be finished with Pyroplast Top WB to achieve custom color options while still providing fire resistance. These coatings are environmentally friendly, free from halogens and aromatic solvents, and comply with strict European fire safety standards like EN 13501. For effective application, the wood surface should be dry, clean, and free from contaminants, with a moisture content of less than 15% to ensure optimal performance. Application methods include airless spray, brush, or roller, with airless spray being preferred for covering large surfaces. Under conditions of approximately 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 60% relative humidity, Pyroplast Wood P will be dry to the touch in about 6 hours and ready for recoating after 24 hours. When applying a top coat, a drying time of at least 48 hours is recommended for proper adhesion and performance. A 55-pound bucket of this product is sold at $773. Akoya is a wood product known for its exceptional durability, dimensional stability, and eco-friendliness. It is created through a chemical modification process called acetylation, which involves treating fast-growing, sustainably sourced softwood, usually radiata pine, with acetic anhydride. This treatment changes the wood's cellular structure, making it less prone to absorbing moisture. As a result, Akoya achieves a high level of dimensional stability, reducing swelling and shrinking caused by humidity fluctuations. The wood is classified as Class 1 in terms of durability, offering strong resistance to rot, decay, and insect damage, including termites. The acetylation process ensures that Akoya remains structurally sound and reliable, even in extreme environmental conditions, which significantly prolongs the life of wood-based products while lowering the need for frequent upkeep or replacements. Additionally, this method does not involve the use of toxic chemicals, making Akoya safe for the environment and fully recyclable. The wood is sourced responsibly from well-managed forests, further boosting its sustainability compared to traditional preservation treatments. Akoya is well suited for various exterior applications. For cladding and siding, it maintains structural integrity and appearance despite years of exposure to weather elements. In decking, it resists moisture effectively, providing a stable and visually appealing surface. Its dimensional stability makes it ideal for constructing windows and doors, as it prevents warping and ensures long-term functionality, even in climates with wide temperature and humidity changes. Additionally, Akoya works well for outdoor furniture, where it can endure harsh conditions while retaining its attractive natural look, meeting the demands of outdoor settings without compromising on appearance or strength. The Weston Burt Arboretum is widely considered one of the most stunning locations in the UK. It features over 15,000 trees and shrubs collected from various parts of the world, including Chile and China, all spread over 243 hectares. Buro Happold demonstrates expertise in timber engineering through innovative and environmentally conscious projects. Their techniques include all timber constructions using cross-laminated timber and laminated veneer timber, hybrid structures that combine timber with steel or concrete for optimized performance, and composite forms that integrate timber and concrete to increase strength. The Weald and Downland Grid Shell, completed in 2002 at the Weald and Downland Open Air Museum in West Sussex, England, stands out for its unique double-curved design. Made from green oak sourced from Normandy and clad in local cedar, the grid shell serves as a museum workshop and storage space. Its distinctive form received significant recognition and was shortlisted for the Sterling Prize for Architectural Innovation. The Savile Building in Windsor Great Park, opened in 2006, features a long undulating roof made from interlocking large laths, spanning over 90 meters. This building technique, known as cordwood construction, uses pre-dried logs combined with a specialized mortar. This eco-friendly technique utilizes locally sourced renewable materials, making it an appealing option for environmentally conscious home builders. Logs are typically cut to uniform lengths between 8 and 24 inches, with rot-resistant species like cedar, juniper, and cypress being preferred for their longevity. There are two main construction methods. The through-wall technique, where a mortar mix containing insulation creates a solid wall, and the mortar insulation mortar (MIM) approach, which sandwiches insulation like perlite or sawdust between parallel mortar beads. These methods not only enhance thermal performance, but also provide strong structural support. A 24-inch thick cordwood wall, for instance, has an estimated R value of 35, contributing to efficient temperature regulation through its ability to absorb and slowly release heat. The appearance of cordwood walls is striking, with log ends forming natural, unique patterns. Builders often add decorative elements, such as colored bottle bricks or embedded stones, to add visual interest. The wood must be properly dried and prepared to ensure the structure's longevity and stability. Richard and Becky Flatow have been key proponents of this method. After constructing their own mortgage-free cordwood home in Wisconsin over 40 years ago, they have become leading educators in the field. Through their organization, Cordwood Construction Resources, LLC, they provide workshops, guidebooks, and extensive online resources for those interested in this sustainable building method. Their work emphasizes the practicality and benefits of using natural materials in home construction, demonstrating its value and environmental impact. The Laverty Company can build your dream home. They work in two areas, creating traditional log homes and modern framed structures. The owner has years of experience as a former vice president of the International Log Builders Association. Laverty combines skilled craftsmanship with modern tools and methods when needed. Laverty Log Homes and Timber Frames uses sustainably sourced timber to preserve the natural beauty of each tree while creating energy-efficient homes. The company has been building structures across Canada since 2005. Laverty's team of skilled artisans constructs high-quality log homes and timber frames using traditional techniques, ensuring lasting, unique buildings. The Scandinavian log homes are designed to endure for generations, leaving a lasting legacy. Each project showcases exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. In Sobel Beach, Laverty's latest log home offers lakeside living. This peaceful retreat, crafted with care, combines rustic charm with the warmth of wood, creating the perfect setting for lifelong memories. Explore a sophisticated version of Lego with this connector. It turns pieces into easily connectable components, allowing you to create furniture like tables, chairs, and more. Plywood connectors provide an easy way to assemble modular furniture and storage units without screws or extra tools. Use the connectors to join panels in various configurations and tighten them with an included Allen wrench. These connectors come in three angles, 90, 105, and 150 degrees, and are available in different colors for design flexibility. Since they require no extra tools or hardware, you can disassemble and reconfigure your creations as your needs change. Made in Italy by Space Matters, Plywood connectors are crafted from glass fiber reinforced plastic, making them strong and resistant to humidity and UV rays. This makes them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Applications include workshop or garage storage, kitchen and bedroom furniture, outdoor furniture, classrooms, dorm rooms, apartments, small offices, and trade shows. Plywood connectors work with panels 16 mm to 19 mm wide, made from materials like plywood and laminate-coated MDF. A set includes 4 white 90-degree connectors and 1 Allen wrench. The standard version can handle up to 120 kilograms and is flame-resistant. Sets of 24 pieces are available for purchase at a reasonable price. To make a secure connection, insert the X-Fix components into the grooves and gently tap them with a hammer. No glue, screws, bolts, or complex parts are needed. This method is effective for attaching roof, ceiling, and wall elements. It was notably used in the construction of the Bauhaus Archive in Berlin and the Hasseltre office building in Norway. X-Fix offers timber connection solution that is efficient, sustainable, and easy to use. It enables wood-to-wood connections without the need for metal, making it durable and eco-friendly. Assembly time is reduced by over 50%, as connectors can be hammered in quickly without additional tools thanks to their conically split dovetail design. Using X-Fix can save up to 30% of material for window and door cutouts in wall construction. It is versatile, suitable for various applications, including cross-laminated timber ceilings, ribbed and box ceilings, timber concrete composite ceilings, and wall elements. The system is particularly useful for connecting beams, posts, and wall reinforcements made of different timber materials. X-Fix is ideal for constructing long and high wall elements with large openings, using standard timber formats with minimal waste. It can be used both in production facilities and on construction sites, offering flexibility and efficiency. Wood began as a small woodworking shop and has now gained international attention for its acoustic wood panels. Reviews praise these panels for adding a soft, cozy feel to any room. The panels are also effective at absorbing sound, with a 30mm thick panel, reportedly reducing over 60% of sound in the 200 to 800 Hz range, which improves speech clarity. Their decorative wood panels are highly favored by architects and designers, offering a plethora of patterns, colors, and wood types to suit any style. These panels add warmth and charm to spaces, providing endless inspiration. The Edge collection features intricate geometric patterns, adding depth with three-dimensional forms. Available in equilateral triangles, rhombuses, and squares, these panels allow for creative compositions in both modern and classic interiors. For symmetrical design lovers, the Edge collection offers diamond-shaped panels alongside its asymmetrical counterparts. Meanwhile, the Smooth series boasts organic shapes, promoting a calm and welcoming atmosphere. With its gentle curves and variety of colors, it complements classic decor and natural settings beautifully. The Smooth panels, with their smooth surfaces and lack of sharp edges, are particularly suited for bedrooms or relaxation areas. They include models like Caro Plus, Caro Minus, and Arch, offering versatility in arrangement and visual effects. In 2019, a remarkable structure called the Tower by Lake M was completed in Norway. Standing 85.4 meters tall with 18 stories, it is the tallest wooden building in the world. It is made using cross-laminated timber, and the only non-timber parts are the concrete slabs on the top floors. It showcases how tall buildings can be constructed using local resources and sustainable wooden materials. Molven Limtra, located 17 kilometers from Mjøstarnet, played a key role in the tower's construction by producing and installing glulam columns, beams, and diagonals for the primary load-bearing system. With a floor area of approximately 11,300 square meters, Mjøstarnet includes a hotel, apartments, offices, a restaurant, and common areas. Additionally, there is a 4,700 square meter swimming hall in a first-floor extension, also constructed from wood. Wood is a preferred building material due to its environmental benefits, low carbon footprint, and renewability. It also offers structural strength, durability, and a healthy indoor climate. Wood can regulate humidity and temperature while providing good acoustic and insulating properties, creating a harmonious environment. Let's discuss a classic in construction: fasteners. Surprisingly, even this field sees new products regularly. For example, Prefast Fix fasteners undergo lab testing to minimize the risk of cracking when being screwed in. The Fast Fix secures the tops of internal walls to the bottom cord of roof trusses, providing lateral stability. It features a knurled shank for firm attachment to the top plate, allowing vertical movement in the truss without transferring the load to the wall. This product is intended for internal use only. It is faster, safer, and more precise than traditional methods. Reduces the need for working at heights since it can be installed from below the roof trusses. Designed to prevent overdriving. Simple just one-piece installation process. To install, just position the guide against the truss bottom cord. Insert the IDUS into the guide slot. Drive the IDUS using a 5mm hex socket until stable. Remove the guide and fully drive the screw. The screw should protrude approximately 10mm for visual inspection. Install the IWS at every second truss or up to a maximum spacing of 1,800mm. If you need a heavy-duty beam, Haslacker is the go-to expert. They handle all calculations and can create custom beams to your specifications. For instance, they recently crafted a wooden beam weighing 60 tons, capable of supporting more weight than an M1 Abrams tank. To achieve this, they combined 17 separate elements into a single piece with a final thickness of 1.1 meter, spanning a length of 32.7 meters. The Haslacher Group is a family-owned business deeply rooted in generations of experience with wood, a renewable resource, for over 120 years. Wood, being versatile, serves as a source of inspiration, enabling visionary architectural designs ranging from intricate roof structures to modern multi-story buildings entirely crafted from wood. Escort vehicles were necessary for transporting a massive beam used in constructing a bridge in Austria. However, Haslacher, the company behind the beam, offers more than just bridge components. They also produce beams for highway, business centers, and various facilities. Advanced production technologies and a commitment to sustainability allow them to create high-demand products for modern architecture. Glued laminated timber offers strength, stability, and flexibility, allowing for various designs in timber construction. Cross-laminated timber, another product, boasts exceptional thermal insulation and load-bearing properties, making it ideal for innovative architectural projects. Trick Brick is a solution to combat the climate crisis and reduce CO2 emissions in construction. It utilizes brickwood bricks, similar to Lego bricks. Builders can assemble structures without needing glue or screws, making the process quick and simple. Constructing a 500 square meter floor only requires 2 days, compared to the 10 to 20 days typically needed when using concrete. TriQ-Brick offers an innovative timber construction system composed of micro-modular building blocks known as bricks. These blocks are precisely manufactured using robot technology from cost-effective industrial and calamity wood. They are stacked and interlocked using beechwood dowels, eliminating the need for artificial fasteners. This allows for the quick and flexible assembly of load-bearing exterior walls at construction sites. At the end of a building's life, the bricks can be easily removed and reused, promoting sustainability. Even reclaimed lumber is utilized in their production. Unlike traditional solid wood modules, trick bricks are crafted from weak and damaged wood found in forests, contributing to CO2 reduction by preventing the wood from decomposing. The material emphasizes sustainability through local sourcing, eco-friendly manufacturing, and short transportation distances. Garbolato simplifies life for its customers with the innovative clip-up system. This patented method for installing flooring requires no glue or magnetic base, making the floor ready for immediate use. It's highly reliable and suitable even for gyms. It offers a quick and straightforward way to lay parquet flooring. One of its key benefits is the ability to easily replace individual or multiple boards whenever necessary. This system is particularly suitable for floors that require frequent inspection or maintenance. The installation process involves placing clips onto the subfloor, which securely anchor the parquet boards with special milling. The flooring becomes immediately walkable after installation, allowing rooms to be furnished promptly. Clip-up system accommodates various thicknesses, widths, and lengths of parquet boards. Using stainless steel clips, the boards are effortlessly attached to the subfloor with a simple pressure mechanism. Removal is convenient, requiring only a small screw for the initial board and no holes for subsequent ones. Clip-up system simplifies maintenance tasks as well. This system streamlines the entire process of laying and maintaining parquet flooring. Ubbink bituminous tape is perfect for protecting wooden deck beams. It's tough, enduring temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +80 degrees Celsius, and flexible enough to install even at 5 degrees Celsius. The bituminous adhesive strip protects wooden terrace joists from moisture and rainwater, preventing them from penetrating the joists and causing damage. It also stops prolonged water contact, safeguarding the structure from humidity and preventing rapid rotting. This ensures a tightly sealed joist, resistant to extreme temperatures and UV rays, extending the life of wooden decks and complying with DTU 51.4 regulations for exterior wooden decking. It includes single-sided and double-sided adhesives for various applications such as under-roof screens, rain screens, and vapor barriers. Multifunctional butyl strips are also available for various waterproofing needs like ridges, roofs, and chimney surrounds. The UV-resistant tape shields beams, and each standard roll spans 20 meters with an 80 millimeters width, enough for an 8 square meter terrace. The price for each roll is $225. With these sealing solutions, you can ensure effective waterproofing for both indoor and outdoor projects, protecting your structures and prolonging their lifespan. Let's explore metal web joists, versatile for personal or business projects. They blend timber and steel, allowing easy adaptation for any project. Metal web or posy joist systems are innovative structures composed of timber cords and pressed metal webs, creating an open web joist. Their design facilitates easy installation of services like pipework and cabling without needing notching or drilling. This reduces wastage and promotes environmental sustainability. This company produces both posy joists for floors and posy rafters for roofs. Posy joists are versatile and suitable for various buildings, from homes to large complexes, favored by architects and engineers for their spanning capabilities. Posy rafters, on the other hand, are primarily for roofs, adaptable for diverse structures like homes or schools, with customizable details to match client needs. Compared to I-joists, metal web joists offer greater span distances, making them ideal for projects requiring large clear spans. They accommodate surfaces passing through the floor without compromising structural integrity, whereas I-joists have limitations on hole size and spacing. Barcelona Tech is Spain's largest engineering university with a vast network of research centers and over 30,000 students. They are actively involved in designing and constructing fascinating structures, like the pavilion utilizing the Zollinger system to create a delicate yet strong mesh structure. In one pavilion, students used 12 mm birch plywood, exploring potential for mass-produced modular wooden structures, aligning with green building trends. The Zollinger Open Classroom in Cancuni is a lightweight grid shell made of birch plywood pieces for outdoor lectures. It's inspired by the Zollinger system, transferring loads in short beams, enabling covering curved surfaces without long beams or complex joints, reducing cost, time, and weight. The challenge lies in designing a joint sturdy enough to eliminate additional bracing. The entire system is compact and made with standard CNC and laser machinery. Students from the MPDA Master in Parametric Design in Architecture received continuous reviews from international experts, tackling design, structural modeling, analysis, fabrication, and construction. Completed in June 2021 in Spain, this project demonstrates the integration of technology into architectural education. The program includes workshops on parametric software and numerical control machines, aiming to solve real architectural challenges. Jean Prouvé was a renowned French architect and designer of the 20th century. He made notable contributions to Paris Descartes University and crafted timeless furniture designs. Additionally, he pioneered the concept of prefabricated houses. Recently, experts have updated his original blueprints to align with modern trends, incorporating features like solar energy. Originally designed in 1944 to house war victims in France, Rogers and his team have transformed it into a self-contained holiday retreat. Their aim is to set a precedent for adapting historical Prouvé homes, revitalizing old designs. The contemporary adaptation includes modern amenities like a bathroom, kitchen, and service trolleys for hot water. Its design features a link bridge connecting pods, with 4 glazed panels for light and access to an outdoor terrace. This decking area can be raised or lowered for outdoor use or protection against weather. Remaining true to the original, the components are easily assembled and disassembled on site, allowing for flexibility in panel placement. Is A-fold house part of the wood renaissance? Regardless, it's a brilliant concept. Constructing a 51 square meter house in just 6 hours is remarkable. The innovative assembly method resembles jigsaw puzzles and origami. These houses are lightweight and can be easily erected on pile and screw foundations. The standard package includes plumbing, air conditioning, insulated windows, a hot water supply system, and wiring. A-fold offers various options for your modular wooden house, each with unique features, sizes, and uses. Model A, T, and C. You can personalize your chosen model by selecting preferred elements and tailoring it to your lifestyle and preferences. Additionally, both models can be expanded with a veranda balcony, enhancing your view of the surrounding landscape. These modular wooden houses prioritize sustainability and efficiency. They are constructed with natural materials and advanced technologies, ensuring high energy performance and minimal environmental impact. The mineral fibers in the wood provide excellent acoustic insulation, while the structures are designed for durability and resilience against seismic events. This is an 100% Italian design, incorporating traditional craftsmanship with modern construction methods. Wood has become increasingly popular for prefab homes due to its functionality, aesthetics, and environmental benefits, notably reducing CO2 emissions. The production process and dry assembly method offer economic benefits and shorter construction times without compromising environmental welfare and biodiversity. Woodhaven MDF planks add instant warmth and charm to any space, ideal for covering damaged drywall or avoiding the hassle of removing a popcorn ceiling. These planks offer versatile installation options. The Easy Up system, featuring clips and tracks, allows for effortless installation. Clips can even be used individually on existing ceiling grids, provided their thickness does not exceed 3.3 centimeters. Renovate your home with the natural charm of Woodhaven ceiling planks, sized at 2.5 to 12.7 centimeters and crafted from MDF for easy installation. With various finishes available, these planks effortlessly refresh your ceiling, adding vitality to your space's fifth wall. Plus, some are suitable for wall application. Featuring a pre-finished wood grain appearance, they eliminate the need for sanding, staining, or sealing. Ideal for concealing imperfections like damaged drywall, plaster, or popcorn ceilings, their beveled tongue and groove edges reduce gap visibility during expansion and contraction. For more, 5 finishes can adorn your walls, including beadboard, painted white, classic white, and woven charcoal gray, which can be mounted either horizontally or vertically. Opt for the convenient kit, including clips, screws, and enough planks to cover 2.7 square meters, all for $120. Timber HP insulation, made from wood fibers, resists moisture, mold, and rot. It withstands 2 hours of direct fire contact due to added borate, a common chemical found in many products. This eco-friendly insulation is crafted from wood chips and recycled materials sourced from sawmills. They produce top-quality fiber insulation that is beneficial for both people and the environment. This insulation also reduces heating and cooling costs effectively. With a track record of success in Europe for decades, wood fiber insulation is competitively priced and trusted for its performance. They responsibly source materials needed from Forest Stewardship Council and Sustainable Forestry Initiative certified trees and wood chips, both manufacturing these materials and supporting local economies and sustainable forestry practices. Timber HP's wood fiber insulation offers a solution for creating durable, energy-efficient buildings that prioritize safety and affordability. Utilizing Maine's abundant wood resources, it has a proven track record in Europe and is now accessible in North America. It's safe to handle and install, providing effective insulation while promoting responsible forestry practices. This company mission is to promote high performance, sustainable building practices that benefit people and the planet. Advantage deck tiles are touted as perfect for DIY projects, promising to quickly transform any area. If you're thinking of sprucing up your old concrete walkway, Brazilian natural wood tiles could be the answer. However, they come at a cost, with a single 50 cm square tile made from exotic Garpa wood priced at $19. These hardwood tiles are not only affordable and simple to install, but they also offer numerous benefits. By choosing real wood deck tiles, you elevate the aesthetic of your patio, balcony, or rooftop with enduring beauty. Unlike merely painting over your current surface, these tiles provide a superior and more natural solution. Installation is quick, taking only hours, not days. Enjoy years of low-maintenance use and a sturdy option for revamping concrete decks and patios. For more, these tiles offer the convenience of portability, allowing you to take your deck with you to your next home. Deck tiles are durable and resilient of traditional decking without the need for extensive framing, capable of transforming your outdoor space in just one afternoon.
Augmented wood turns trees into smart, beautiful material, like nature upgraded. Imagine furniture, buildings, even cars, all evolving with it. It starts as something ordinary, fast-growing trees like poplar pine, but through a unique process, one that strips out the wood's natural lignin and replaces it with a custom plant-based polymer, something entirely new emerges. The result is augmented wood, translucent, touch-responsive, stable, and built to handle fire, water, and time without losing its shape. This isn't just about looks. Structurally, it outperforms many common building materials. Some boards are up to 7 times stronger than concrete, with rigidity up to over 20 times greater. Yet, it's surprisingly light. Interior panels weigh just a third of what glass does. On top of that, its environmental footprint is remarkably low. Producing it releases up to 90% fewer emissions, and each cubic meter locks away up to 1,000 kilograms of CO2. That's a great leap toward carbon-negative construction. There are 2 main formats. Slim panels are thin, semi-transparent, and show off the natural grain in ways that work beautifully in ceilings, wall dividers, and illuminated features. On the other hand, stack boards are more robust, used on building facades or as structural elements. And then there are the smart applications, dashboards and surfaces that can detect touch, opening up possibilities for interactive furniture, vehicles, or appliances. Production is already running in France, with raw wood sourced from responsibly managed local forests. Backed by over 80 patents and a research team spanning materials science, chemistry, and AI, this isn't just a new take on timber. It's a complete rethinking of what wood can be. These days, multi-story buildings are popping up faster than ever. No mud, no noise, no construction chaos. Behind this new way of building is DEREX, a company that's rethinking construction with smart modular timber design. Each module is a fully formed room made from engineered wood, cross-laminated timber and glulam beams, complete with floors, ceilings, walls, and pre-installed electrical and mechanical systems. These panels are called X-Lam and can be as long as over 17 meters and up to 3.5 meters wide. They're layered from softwoods like spruce, fir, pine, larch, or Douglas fir, with optional hybrid layers. The precision is exacting, just a couple of millimeters tolerance even on large sections. These modules are put together in a 3,000 square meters facility in Grevenbroich, backed by timber production at nearby sites. High-speed CNC machines shape panels up to 40 square meters in a single go, pushing feed rates up to 25 meters per minute. This setup makes it possible to turn out 8 to 10 modules a day. For more, these modules can even be used for data centers and technical infrastructure, which means they are fire safety usage. On-site, things move quickly. Because modules and foundations can be prepared in parallel, entire buildings can go up far faster than with traditional construction. Digital modeling helps avoid mistakes before the first panel is even cut, and every module is tailored to fit specific project as long as it fits on a truck. Imagine treating wood the way a swordsmith tempers steel. The traditional Japanese method called shugi-ban uses fire to turn plain timber into something striking and resilient. When wood is exposed to about 1,100 degrees Celsius in a controlled burn, something essential shifts. The grain seals in on itself, the color deepens, and the wood becomes far more resistant to rain, insects, and decay. After that, it's brushed down, either left with a smooth feel or a cracked, dramatic texture, then treated with oils that slow down fading and fend off fungal damage. Every board is checked through a tight quality process. You'll find it in species like larch, spruce, acacia, pine, and cedar, finished in tones like rich amber or silver gray. Boards come planed or rough sawn, and they're fixed with stainless screws spaced 50 to 60 millimeters apart. The technique isn't new. It traces back to Japan in the 1700s, when people figured out that fire didn't just destroy, it protected. Today the idea is the same, but the tools are sharper and the results more refined. You see this used on walls, fences, ceilings, and facades. Outside, it holds strong for decades with basic care. Inside, it can last generations. Decks and terraces need a little more attention, usually a re-oil every few years. The wood comes from sustainable forests, and nothing is wasted in the process. No chemicals, no shortcuts. Just a balance of tradition and control that gives each board a deeper story and a much longer life. Tektilon A2 is like the Kevlar vest of building panels. Tough, fireproof, sound deadening. Think of it as quiet armor for buildings where safety never sleeps. These panels are made from a 10 millimeters layer of wood wool on top of a mineral wool core. They come in different thickness, which ranges from 5 to over 22 centimeters. Weight goes up with thickness, starting at over 11.5 and topping out at 28 kilograms per square meters. With the right fixings, it can hold its own in a fire for up to 3 hours. It performs just as well with sound absorption ratings around 0.90, which makes a noticeable difference in spaces where echo or background noise is a concern. Installing the panels is relatively simple. Thinner ones need 4 fixings, fire-rated assemblies use 5. Concrete ceilings usually require specific screws. Once in place, the panels are left exposed. Their beveled edges and optional color finishes make them visually acceptable. You don't need extra work. These panels are commonly found in garage ceilings, basements, parking decks, or commercial interiors. They're also used in swimming pools, plant rooms, and other areas where acoustic control and fire safety go hand in hand. They don't rot, don't absorb odors, and won't be damaged by insects. In the US, wood is the go-to material for houses because it's affordable and easy to work with, blending seamlessly with local building practices and climates. Meanwhile, in Europe, concrete blocks are preferred for their durability, superior insulation, and ability to withstand harsher weather conditions. This contrast between materials becomes strikingly evident at Wisdom Stockholm, where timber is the star. Here, structure, design, and technology converge with precision. The building spans 1,325 square meters, featuring a vast vaulted roof that stretches 48 by 25 meters without a single internal column. This impressive feat is made possible by 5 interwoven layers of laminated veneer lumber. At the heart of the structure sits a wooden dome, 22 meters across and 12 meters high, crafted from 277 triangular panels of cross-laminated timber. Inside, visitors are immersed in a unique experience, seated beneath a curved 300 square meter screen in a 360-degree cinema that accommodates around 100 people, all while being enveloped in laser projection technology. The engineering is no less ambitious. The LVL beams, about 20 kilometers in total, were CNC cut to over 3 centimeters thickness and taper from 50 to 38 centimeters. The roof is supported by 24 perimeter columns made from block-glued LVL in 2 sizes, 60 by 80 and 60 by 60 centimeters. Over 3,500 dowels and screws hold the layers together. The base beam layer was factory curved to set the shape, while the upper layers were adjusted on-site with help from precise parametric models. When it all came together, the final structure deviated less than half a millimeter from its digital blueprint. Wisdom officially opened in December 2023 as a new wing of the National Museum of Science and Technology. It was built in just 18 months. It looks like a flat panel at first. But wood skin isn't just a sheet of wood or metal, it's something smarter. Each piece is made by layering 2 outer surfaces around a strong textile core. Then, it's precisely cut using CNC machines to create a grid of patterns, what they call digital hinges. These hinges let the panel bend and flex without breaking, turning flat materials into curved, self-supporting shapes. There's also an acoustic version with small perforations and backing to help absorb sound. There are 3 main formats. Mesh panels are sheets stretched across frames, shaped to create smooth, curved surfaces. Fold panels are pre-shaped units with geometric folds, agami, ogami, ugami, ready to mount on walls or ceilings with built-in frames. Then there's tailor-made, a fully custom option for big, one-off projects where every angle and curve is designed digitally. Across all versions, the material holds up well. It resists scratches, handles everyday wear, and keeps its form. CNC cutting ensures tight tolerances, and thanks to the built-in flexibility of the hinges, the panels can adapt on-site if the space isn't perfectly measured. For planning, users can choose between a basic layout tool and a more advanced configuration that adjusts size and pattern in real time. Minimal waste, locally sourced materials, and a promise to plant a tree for every 10 square meters produced. Woodskin brings digital thinking into physical form. WoodLab by Interfaca offers a well-thought-out approach to wooden facades, with a focus on long-term use. At the core is the Dumo wood channel siding series, made from thermally modified softwood. The brushed surface can be left natural or finished in semi-transparent or solid colors. What sets WoodLab apart is its support structure. It's not just a catalog, it's a toolkit. Architects and builders get access to CAD drawings, fixing guides, install videos, and a profile configurator to define every detail. Sample boxes can be ordered directly from the company to get a feel for the material up close. The profiles come in 2 sizes, 2 by 14 and 2 by 19 centimeters, both with a 2mm tongue and groove. There's a wide range of styles depending on the project's needs, standard channel siding with visible fixing, shiplap with a subtle groove, open rhombus profiles, lines 3 for a modern ridged surface, bars with soft rounded slats, and classic options like Zweed's Rabat. Each profile is designed to guide water away. Natural graying is part of the story here. Over time, sunlight breaks down the top surface of the wood, leading to a silvered look. This change doesn't weaken the material. Some may prefer to let it weather, others might choose coatings to keep color consistent. Located in Lake Forest, Illinois, this family-run company has been serving both Illinois and Wisconsin since 1982, specializing in the kind of roofing work you can spot from the street, clean lines and that weathered cedar tone that only gets better with time. They've built a reputation on cedar shakes and shingles, and many of the crew has been with them for over 20 years. One customer even said they've trusted them with their roof for almost 2 decades. Their lineup includes hand-split shakes in 2 sizes, tan options with a more uniform cut, and perfection shingles that offer a smoother, more polished finish. Materials come in Western Red or Alaskan Yellow Cedar, both known for aging to a soft silver gray in under a year. Their installations meet high-impact and fire rating standards, and they've passed wind tests that are often required in hurricane zones. Nails, sheet metals, and a 3-layer underlayment system help keep water out. They work all year, even in the Midwest winter, and they do it without tearing up your yard or leaving things exposed to the elements. Cedar isn't zero maintenance, but it brings something other materials don't. And this team knows how to install it right, with the kind of care and experience that's hard to find. This panel doesn't scream for attention, but once it's in place, you feel the difference. WoodUp's AccuPanel quietly transforms how a room sounds and looks. Each panel comes in 2 sizes, 240 by 60 or 300 by 60 centimeters, with a thickness of about 21 millimeters. At its core is MDF in varying depths, 12, 15, or 18 millimeters, backed with dense acoustic felt made from 100% polyester. The slats are 27 millimeters wide, with tight manufacturing tolerances that keep things consistent across every piece. There's no shortage of finish options either. Over 19, from warm oaks to deep oxide tones and clean foils. You can cut panels using common tools and screw them in through the felt backing, whether you're covering a small wall section or an entire ceiling. For outdoor projects, AluWood panels offer the same clean wood look, but with an aluminum center. They are designed to be fixed onto facades using standard materials like battens and windproof layers. Inside, the Create system adds another layer. It lets you click in shelves, hooks, LED strips, or mirrors without drilling a single hole. There's also a powder-coated magnetic board that comes with oak magnets strong enough to hold everything from keys to daily notes. These panels do more than just look good. They shift the feel of a room. Sound gets softer, the space feels more grounded, and you have the freedom to build around it. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. Some species can even grow up to 35 inches in a single day. It's stronger than steel in tension, naturally antibacterial, and regenerates fully without replanting. Despite being a grass, it's tough enough to build houses, versatile enough to make clothes, and adaptable enough to replace plastic in countless products. At the heart of this is Moso bamboo, a powerhouse species that can grow up to 1 meter a day and reach its full height, about 24 meters, in just a few months. It spreads through an underground root system, eliminating the need for replanting. This rapid regeneration, combined with low-impact harvesting and exceptional carbon storage, makes it one of the most sustainable materials available. To maximize its potential, Moso bamboo is processed using advanced techniques like thermodensity, which heat treats and compresses it for added strength. Steam pressure treatments further enhance its durability outdoors, without relying on harmful chemicals. Indoor ranges like the Grand and Eternal collections feature solid bamboo planks and engineered designs with cross-pressed backing, making them stable enough for underfloor heating and busy living spaces. The Supreme line, for instance, combines a 4mm wear layer with a total 10mm thickness. Outdoor lines like X-Trem and Endurance go even further, built to handle harsh weather while meeting top fire resistance standards in both Europe and the US. These qualities open up a wide range of uses. Some versions are rugged enough for busy restaurants or offices. Others suit kitchens, staircases, or living rooms. Flexible options like Uni-Bamboo work well in renovations, adding absorption. Build your dream home the same way you stack Legos. No glue, no machines, and no environmental damage. A smart wood brick system makes it all possible. Brick-A-Wood is a building system that breaks away from the usual way homes are put together. Instead of screws, it uses solid wood bricks, each one made from 4 interlocking pieces that hold themselves tightly in place. Most bricks are over 20 centimeters thick, though a slimmer 16 centimeters version is used for smaller builds like compact studios. During construction, the hollow spaces inside the bricks are filled with leftover wood chips from the manufacturing process. This setup keeps the home extremely energy efficient. In fact, it meets passive house standards, needing as little as 15 kilowatts per hour per square meter per year to stay warm. That's up to 90% less energy than what older buildings use. Indoors, the temperature stays steady, around 19 to 21 degrees in winter and under 24 in summer. For more, plumbing and electrical systems are built right into the walls using hidden channels in the bricks. There's no need for drywall, plastic vapor barriers, or added insulation layers. Once the walls go up, doors, windows, and the roof are installed. Started in France by Alain Romero and Patricia Dutroux, this system is aimed at people who want a more environmentally way to build. Prices range from $818 to $1960 per square meter, of course, depending on the size and complexity of the home.
In 2024, the U.S. harvested about nearly 3 billion board feet of timber from national forests. Much of that wood ends up in residential construction and home improvement projects, exactly where systems like TOJA Grid come in. TOJA Grid simplifies outdoor building by using pre-formed steel brackets that fit standard 4x4 or 6x6 lumber, eliminating the need for precise angle cuts or complex joinery. The key component is the solo bracket, made from steel and designed for quick, strong connections. The 4x4 version fits lumber just less than 3 inches wide, stands 7 inches tall. The larger 6x6 version stands 9 inches tall and uses thicker steel. Both come with pre-drilled holes, screws, and black caps. For angled roof structures, the Peak Trio bracket adds a 3-way connector with matching specs. TOJA offers kits in sizes ranging from 8x8 to over 12x24 feet, with options for standalone setups, wall attachments, or angled layouts. Shade sails, rafter tops, and fencing attachments give you a lot to work with. While the kits come with all necessary brackets and hardware for the sails, you'll need to pick up your own lumber and anchoring materials. There are also extras available, like privacy curtains and even studio frames you can expand into small outdoor rooms. Most people find the build process quick, around an hour per section using just a drill, mallet, and ladder. That said, your experience might vary. Some report perfect fits straight out of the box. Others hit snags with welds inside the brackets or swollen wood that's hard to slide in. A little sanding or dry fitting the wood before starting can save time. A set of 8 TOJA grid brackets costs $141.
Some connectors just hold things together. Alumega does more. It moves with the structure. Designed for beam-to-beam and beam-to-post joints, it allows beams to rotate at the ends. That means when buildings shift due to earthquakes, this connector moves with them. It handles those dynamic forces without breaking or compromising the structure. It can shift slightly till 4 millimeters along the axis of the beam and still hold its position, thanks to slotted holes and smart geometry. That kind of tolerance isn't common, especially in connections handling serious loads. It's made from aluminum and tested to last at least 50 years. You can install it in a modular way, placing several units side by side when needed. Most of the work can be done at the factory, with final bolts added on site. Even the bolt design helps. It includes a countersunk bolt that lines everything up during installation. You can choose between some versions. HV connects timber beams with inclined screws. HP links timber to concrete or steel. JV and JS handle secondary joists. All share a compact footprint, over 90 millimeters wide, over 50 deep, and heights go up to over 80 centimeters depending on the job. Alumega has already been put to the test on real job sites.
And this dry processed wood fiber board is designed for floor construction that skips the usual mess and waiting time of traditional screeds. What makes this board special is how quickly it can be put to use. There's no drying period. Once it's down, it's ready. The dry groove and separate MDF tongue make it easy to slot into place and fasten floorboards directly on top. No extra layers needed. It works well under common floor finishes like parquet, laminate, or tiles. It comes in thicknesses of 4, 6, and 8 centimeters, with each board measuring 189 by 50 centimeters. Depending on thickness, it weighs between 9 and 18 kilograms per square meter. It's not just quick to install, it also contributes to a more energy-efficient space. When combined with AgePan loose fill, it helps reduce sound transmission and improve insulation, particularly over concrete floors. It handles vapor reasonably well and has very low emissions. They can also work as a short-term roofing fix. In that role, they'll hold up for about 8 weeks. The installation process is simple. Prepare a level, dry surface, add a moisture barrier if needed, then layer in cardboard, loose fill, and the board itself.
It's rare to find a building system that does so much with so little. The MHM wall system uses nothing but untreated softwood boards, layered crosswise and fixed with aluminum pins. There's no glue, just solid timber held together with a method that's been around for centuries. That simplicity is its strength. The panels stay stable over time, don't crack or twist, and naturally resist environmental wear. It's also been tested and certified for fire resistance and meets soundproofing standards, especially useful in apartment buildings or public facilities. The panels breathe naturally, helping keep indoor humidity levels steady. Thanks to the cross-laminated structure and kiln drying, the wood stays in shape season after season. Depending on the design, exterior walls are usually 20 to 25 centimeters thick with 9 to 11 board layers, though they can go up to 35 centimeters for projects needing more insulation. Interior panels range from 10 to 20 centimeters with 5 to 7 layers. The boards have tiny grooves that trap air, improving thermal performance by about 20%. Combine that with the right insulation, like mineral wool or wood fiber, and interior finishes such as lime plaster, and the system can meet demanding energy efficiency standards, even passive house levels. What also sets MHM apart is the way it's prepared. Each panel is CNC machined before it reaches the site, already routed for plumbing, wiring, and ventilation. They can be up to 12 meters long and about 2 meters wide, large enough to speed up construction without extra cutting or fitting. Interior and exterior finishes go straight on, whether it's clay plaster, gypsum, or cladding. Before modern tools, builders leveled wooden foundations using simple methods like water-filled hoses, string lines, or even glass bottles. These early techniques relied on gravity and observation, not technology. Crude as they were, they proved surprisingly accurate. Enough to help settlers build stable homes on uneven ground. That same goal, achieving a solid level base without concrete, drives the design of this modern foundation kit. It shows that leveling a small wooden building on sloped terrain doesn't have to mean compromise. Instead of pouring a slab, the system anchors steel plates to long rods driven 60 to 80 centimeters into the ground. These create a rigid grid tailored to the building's layout, whether it's a garden office, studio, or compact chalet. The structure rests on treated timber beams, supported by adjustable steel brackets that absorb unevenness, even on slopes steeper than 10%. One of the big benefits here is time. There's no concrete to pour, no curing delays, and no heavy machinery needed. The adjustable brackets make leveling precise, and because the frame sits above ground, it helps protect the structure from contact with wet soil. It's a smart approach for certain kinds of soil, especially well-drained ones like gravel or firm sand. If the ground is softer, like clay, you might need to go deeper or do a bit of extra prep. But once the anchors are in, the rest falls into place quickly. You start by clearing and lightly leveling the area, then drive in the rods and bolt on the metal plates. After that, you set the timber frame on top and adjust the height until everything is level and square. The way SuperDeck works flips the usual slab formwork process on its head, literally. Everything starts from the ground. No ladders, no scaffolding, no overhead balancing acts. It's a hand-set drop-head system designed to make concrete floor construction faster. Setup is simple and stays close to the ground. Stringers go in at an angle and lock into the drop-head. Joists slide into place using a beam fork. Edge beams are placed from below too, so the whole system stays within arm's reach. At its core, SuperDeck runs on a clean 8x8 fit grid, giving each prop over 60 square feet of coverage. That setup alone can cut the number of components in half. There's also an 8x6 fit option for tighter spaces. The main parts include aluminum stringers ranging from 4 to 12 feet, wood core joists from 4 to 8 feet, drop heads with a built-in wedge system that lets crews lower beams by 4 inches early, and 4 prop types to handle different loads and heights. The SD350, for example, supports up to 13,500 pounds. On the other hand, the heavy-duty Super Prop handles up to 35,000 pounds and reaches nearly 23 feet. In Chicago, a 6-person crew set 6,500 square feet of deck in just 3.5 hours, over 300 squares fit per person per hour.
And this Czech Republic company focuses on producing prefabricated timber systems for housing and light commercial buildings. Their approach centers on precision. Wall panels, floor units, and roof trusses are pre-made in a temperature-controlled facility using automated equipment to keep every measurement exact. The panels themselves follow a layered design, wood framing, mineral or wood wool insulation, and plywood sheathing, built to meet EU standards. Because everything is assembled indoors, the building elements avoid the inconsistencies that often come with on-site construction. Advanced machinery keep production consistent, allowing buildings to go up faster without cutting corners. Each panel is engineered with thermal performance tailored to check conditions and carries an internal 30-year guarantee. DMK doesn't just manufacture components, they provide a full package. That includes engineering support, detailed plans, delivery of the panels, and training for builders at the job site. For more fire resistance and sound control are all considered during design, so the panels are ready to perform as part of a complete building system.
Western Wood Structures doesn't trade in flash. They focus on getting timber to do serious work. Since 1969, the Tualatin, Oregon-based company has specialized in large-scale timber systems, refining the craft on projects like the 204,000 square foot expansion for Vancouver Public Schools, a 6-story mass timber office in San Mateo County. Their expertise isn't just confined to buildings. In the small town of Haley, Idaho, a local team constructed an impressive 49-meter timber bridge across the Big Wood River, improving access to surrounding nature trails. The bridge, completed in just 3 weeks, was built in 2 segments from either side of the river and joined in the middle. Its subtle bow shape isn't just aesthetic, it's a tribute to the region's Native American heritage, echoing the curves of traditional hunting bows once used in the area. Their standard panels are no small feat, 5-ply, nearly 7 inches thick, stretching up to 46 feet long and weighing around 10,000 pounds each. Glulam beams and trusses, whether curved or straight, are engineered for real-world demands, including seismic zones. They've built bridges spanning up to 280 feet, domes over 500 feet across, and structural systems that hold up under both time and pressure. Projects like the Christ the Light Cathedral near the San Andreas Fault show just how far their technical depth goes, integrating tensioned rods and beams. What make them different is the way everything is handled in-house. Licensed engineers across nearly every U.S. state handle design, drawings, and calculations. Field crews manage the installation from start to finish, and the team also steps in to repair or strengthen existing timber structures. From school campuses to government buildings and fire stations, they approach every job with a focus on longevity. By favoring regionally sourced materials and supporting low-carbon construction methods, they push the industry towards smarter, cleaner building. With Grad System, you can build a terrace as simple as possible. Its patented clip design allows boards to lock into place without visible fasteners, supporting clean finishes and individual board access when needed. The structure supports vertical, horizontal, and diagonal installation patterns. Certified wind resistance applies up to 28 meters building height. Maximum spacing includes 65 centimeters between rails and over 80 between fasteners. Pull-out values vary with terrain and elevation. It uses aluminum rails made from 80% recycled material and fully recyclable. Rail formats vary. Flat rails offer clip spacings from 46 to 124 millimeters. PR39 rails include high tier strength clips. UR18 rails 18 millimeters and are intended for tile installations. Clip types include removable, half-size, and cushioned variants. The system also provides top links for rail continuity, dismantling keys for selective board removal and corner profiles. The system installs on flat walls. Rails must be spaced and fixed with precision, using nails or self-drilling screws. Gaps for thermal movement are required, as are end gaps between boards. Vertical boards may be secured with adhesive at the midpoint for extra hold. Manufactured in France, it fits a wide range of wood types, such as Accoya, thermoash, and Caboni. Suitable for public and private architecture alike, the system provides a clean aesthetic, mechanical performance. A wood beam doesn't just sit still, it slowly sags under weight, even if nothing changes. It's called creep, and it happens over years. Like us under pressure, it subtly gives in, shaped by time, stress, and the environment. That's why smarter solutions matter. Delta beam steps in where traditional beams fall short. It's a steel concrete composite beam built for multi-story buildings where strength is non-negotiable. With spans of 10 to 14 meters, or more with pre-stressed hollow core slabs, it supports wide open layouts up to 12 by 16 meters. Because it's cast into the slab, floors can be up to 30% thinner. That means flat ceilings and more usable space. Reinforcement inside the structure means it can handle up to 4 hours of fire exposure. No extra layers or coatings needed. It's been through full-scale tests, including UL-certified 2-hour assemblies. Whether used with concrete or timber slabs, its performance is well documented. Strength under stress is another strong point. In the event of an earthquake or unexpected column failure, Delta Beam's internal reinforcement helps the structure stay intact. For floors that use CLT or other wood-based panels, adding a concrete layer improves stiffness and vibration control, so people inside feel solid footing even in wide-open spaces. The beam works with all kinds of slab systems: hollow core, cast in place, cross-laminated timber, steel deck, you name it. Timber composite setups have been tested for fire resistance and performance, supporting grid spans up to 7.5 by 10.5 meters. Installation moves quickly thanks to pre-engineered connectors, from hidden corbels to anchor bolts and specialized timber components.
Bloomer Lehman's facilities are all about getting winter road work done right. These silos are built to handle snow seasons, storing anywhere from 5 to 1,000 meters cub of road salt. They're usually made from larch or oak, which holds up well in rough weather, and they sit on steel frames that keep everything solid year after year. For other needs, GRP models between 30 and 250 meters cub are also available. Depending on the setup, silo heights can reach over 20 meters with wide drive-through areas that accommodate trucks easily. Some systems even include brine production using generators and mobile conveyors to handle anti-icing liquids on site. What really makes these facilities work is the attention to practical details. The filling funnels can be adjusted by hand. There's a traditional oak knocker for clearing blockages, and manual gauges help monitor salt levels. In freezing conditions, heated valves keep the material flowing. Roof platforms come with motion-sensitive lights, making nighttime work safer, and galvanized ladders and mirrors guide drivers into position. Depending on the project, automation can be kept simple or fully upgraded to remote-monitored systems with load cells and sensors. The setups across Europe show just how adaptable the concept is. In Gossau, two 200 meters cub silos handle regular winter service for the city. Airola went bigger, with a 1,000 meters cub capacity and full brine production on site. Bern-Wankdorf uses 3 900 meters cub silos with automated loading and online control, while Bayreuth combines a timber silo with a brine tank and mobile salt delivery.
Few tapes handle awkward corners and tight junctions quite like Corvum 3030. It comes pre-folded into two 30mm adhesive legs, giving a 60mm span that fits snugly into internal angles. Think wall meets ceiling, joists, purlins, skylight frames, and window edges. Each roll stretches 25 meters with a thickness of around 1 millimeter and keeps its grip in extreme temperatures. The adhesive is strong, solvent-free, and safe to work with, backed by a reinforced, splash-repellent paper layer that holds steady over time. No expiry, no unexpected breakdowns. You'll want to cover it within 3 months if exposed to sun, but indoors it stays solid. Corvum 3030 is made in Switzerland with high quality, and it's listed in several environmental product databases across Scandinavia. It's not made from recycled content, but the materials are responsibly sourced. A single roll will give you about 25 meters of sealed corners. On rough OSB, a quick coat of primer helps it stay down, but otherwise it goes on clean and stays put. It's a behind-the-scenes product that does its job and built to do things right. It sticks where it matters, on wood, OSB, plasterboard, cement panels, metal, and hard plastics, and bonds cleanly to typical barrier layers. Because it's folded in the factory, you won't waste time trying to line it up yourself. One side of the backing is already peeled, and the other has a pull tab that makes it easier to handle, even when working overhead or in tight corners. A 4-story timber test building, roughly the size of a quarter of a standard house, was assembled and taken through a series of full-scale experiments to better understand how cross-laminated timber responds during an earthquake. Using a system of steel cables to apply both static and dynamic forces, researchers measured the building's natural vibration period, known as T1, a key factor in determining how a structure will perform when the ground starts to move. The results were then compared to the latest seismic standards, which place tighter limits on vibration behavior and site classification. CLT has gained momentum in mid-rise construction because of its environmental benefits, but up to now, there's been a lack of hard data on how it behaves under seismic loads. Engineers often had to rely on assumptions or broad estimates, which left room for error, either making buildings less safe than intended or pushing designs into needlessly expensive territory. This project, run by the Bern University of Applied Sciences from late 2019 through 2021, helped close that gap. With funding from the Federal Office for the Environment, the team produced real-world data that can now feed directly into better modeling, smarter design choices, and more effective building codes. The research is part of a wider push to rethink timber construction. Related projects are exploring hybrid concrete systems, testing new kinds of seismic anchors that can handle heavy forces, and developing coatings that protect timber over time. But this particular study on vibration behavior stands out for its clarity. It gives engineers something solid to work with. Instead of guessing, they now have data from a full-scale structure that faced real forces, bringing seismic design for timber buildings one step closer to precision. There's something immediately striking about this timber canopy. Made from either black-coated Douglas fir or natural oak, it's all about sharp lines. The square posts, chunky at 18 by 18 centimeters, or slightly slimmer at 15 by 15, stand tall without any cross-bracing, giving it a modern outline. Roof beams slot neatly into a large 18 by 28 centimeters ring beam using dovetail joints, tucking the roof inside the frame. Before it's made, there's a design stage where you get 3D drawings, even a short animation, so nothing's left to guesswork. When it arrives, the parts are labeled. Posts go into concrete, and the frame clicks together with no need for screws. Just some basic know-how. The flat roof has just enough slopes let rain drain off and is ready for a rubber membrane or similar covering. Sizes start around 3.3 by 5 meters and go up to 5 by 8 meters. For more, these manufacturers also offer custom-made doors and windows. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants natural materials and flexible designs that work in nearly any space.